back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you are new here, make sure to hit that bigger subscribe button down below. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. In today's video, I'll be doing an Instagram trend, which is iceberg slime. I'm really excited because I've never made iceberg slime before and it looks really cool. There will be a clip on the screen of how iceberg slime looks. Also, a shout out to Sally Cat for her video suggestion. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Three days later.
Whoa,